Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be instantly transforming this kinky straight wig from a dark brown to a jet black. So this hair is from Omgherhair, and this is their kinky straight in an 18-inch and 130% density. So I did decide to go with 130% density due to the fact that I feel like anything above that, dealing with this type of texture, is overwhelming to me. So I was just like, let me go ahead and go with 130%. It does come with 3 combs and a adjustable strap. And so I will be removing these combs later on, as you will see. It also comes with a light brown lace, and the hairline is pre-plucked, but you already know I'm going to go in and pluck some more. And so let's go ahead and watercolor. The first thing you're going to need is a pair of gloves, some freeze spray, a bottle of the Adore Jet Black, and a bucket, and of course hot water. So here I'm just going to show you. It's kind of hard at this angle on the camera, but I'm showing you how I remove my combs. I know some of my subscribers were asking me, you want to slowly, it might seem like I'm going fast because I sped this part up, but you want to slowly just, cut along the strings. You'll be able to see them. Now, I made a mistake one day and I was trying to go too fast and I ended up cutting a hole in my lace, which, yes, you can see that hole from the top. So luckily, thank God, it was not like in the middle part, or I could just switch to the other side part. So as you can see, there is no holes, and I did leave this big comb in the back because that is exactly the comb that I use all the time. So here we're going to be spraying the Got to Be spray. Now this is optional. I did decided to start doing this because I do feel as though is that it makes the knots darker, the dye. And so because I'm going to go back in, I'm going to bleach my knots. I just go ahead and I just put this on there just to protect the knots. And so yes, you want to go ahead and you want to dry it, and I decided to just do it fast with a hair dryer. And now we are ready to go ahead and watercolor. So I like to start out with hot water. You can use cold water, but let's just go ahead and tell you, you will be there all day. Like, I've seen it from my eyes. People that start off with cold water, they just keep on being there and dunking forever. I don't have time for that. And so here I like to go ahead and just take the cap off and use the whole bottle. And then you want to stir it up. I always see people squeeze it in there, and I'm just like, sis, just take the cap off. So do yourself a favor and just make it faster and just take the cap off. So here we're going to be just throwing it in. Now I know there's going to be a lot of questions about the lace, and I will show you that, yes, the lace, a little bit, like you'll be able to see. I'll have a close-up on the video. It gets a little bit tinted, but I mean, I'm able to get mostly all of it out. And I think it just really has to do with some of the what are the lace made out of different companies, because some companies it just rinses right out, and then some companies I have to keep going back in maybe about 2 washes and just like just wash the lace only, and then it will go back to its brown color. So as you can see, I have left it in there for about 2 minutes, and then we are actually black. Like, this is so easy. I love this. I do not like the natural color of bundles. I love when bundles are like jet black, because to me it just looks more realistic, or like better. When it has that brown, that light brown, it just looks dirty to me. I just don't like that. So that's why I ended up like picking up, and I ended up just going ahead and start doing this. I've actually been doing this for like about 4 or 5 months, like ever since I started my channel, and this is like so easy. A lot of my customers, they actually pick this option when they order their custom wigs, and I couldn't agree furthermore. Like, your wig just looks so much better when it's jet black. And so here I'm just washing out the dye. You do get a little bit of bleeding, just a little bit. And I've had wigs that, I think one of my elbow wigs I have done ever since, what was it, August or September, and it's still jet black. I've washed it a lot and it's still jet black. And so here I'm just coating it with conditioner, and you want to just brush it through. Now I do use hot water also, because that cold water be cold. It be cold, so I'll be like, nah sis, I don't care, I'm using hot water. So you will see me switching on and off between the hot water and the cold water. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. I will be doing my giveaway. I was going to be doing it during the Christmas break, but seems that everybody and their mama was not on YouTube during Christmas. during the Christmas break, I was just like, wow, YouTube really goes dead during Christmas. So yeah, I will be still doing that giveaway, and make sure you stay tuned to know what it is. So now you just want to go ahead and give it a good rinse. And here I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. As you can see, it is back brown. And yeah, like that is definitely a big difference from when we first dyed it. So I'm going to be now just giving it a good brush and letting it air dry. I did decide to go ahead and start separating my dye videos from my installs, just because there is different people that come on my channel. Some people just want to learn how to dye and they don't want to learn about the install. So yes, this is going to be a part 2. And so make sure you stay tuned, and like I said, make sure you turn on your notifications so you can be notified about the information on this kinky straight wig and if I like it or not. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.